Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but retirement is so delightful. To work I will not go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, but those cold weather plans will be hopping. I know where I will not go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Those layups will have to go all the way up to Central Park West, but be put back in before dawn. You'll be digging out those switches, but the trains may not even charge. The tracks you will be sweeping, but I'll be home sleeping. To work I will not go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Good night.